Object manipulation is one of the most sought-after applications of AI technology today. It enables robots to interact with physical objects in sophisticated, accurate, and efficient ways. Cozmo interacts with his cubes by first seeing them and recognizing them. Then, using path planning algorithms, he's able to navigate to them and align himself so that he can smoothly grab the cube with his arms. We can get a better idea of the process by looking at the camera view. Let's try it first. In Calypso, put in when see cube, move toward it, and when bumped it, grab it. Get Cozmo ready and enter execution mode. Put one or more cubes in front of Cozmo where he can see. Cozmo will drive up to the first cube he sees and pick it up. Cozmo can do multiple tasks under one condition, which means we can create multiple rules under the same when clause. Move the pencil to the when tile of a new line, pick up the rule, move to the right, and drop it off. If the when clause is empty, the rule will always run if the parent rule runs. Now let's see if we can change the cube's color as Cozmo picks it up. In the original program, put in glow it green in the do clause under the first rule and glow it red under the second. Combining these, you'll be able to create more complex and meaningful context for Cozmo's object manipulation abilities.